So this is the best way to get this perfect skin tone, how to grade, how to get everything perfect. And this is how we use DaVinci to just make everything step by step to achieve something like this. So let's jump to it. This is my notes right now. I just working on it. You can see here, you can see my curves. I just done some crazy things over here. Okay, you can see. So let me just show you this one first. Okay, when I show this, you can see the difference now. Okay, you can see the difference now. So when I click on it, you can see the curves, how I use the Y. Okay, the luminance, how I used to just make all this thing just work. You can see, let me just, okay, so let's just make it to be in the same position. And you can see here, it's not so much, but I just make it here a little bright to make here show the lighting and to get everything perfect. So when I was making this, I just make everything work for me so that the thing is going to be so straight. And you can see the red here. Okay, the red, you see, it's not too much. I just pushing it to the downside like this, and here be around top here. Cool, to just make it look so great. You can see it's make it so simple. And when you check it before and after, you can see the difference now. Okay, yeah, I've just worked on this. I use one of them to just work on this, but you can see how I just jump to this. And let's just jump to this one, the Note 2. You can see the difference about the Note 2. Okay, I use the same thing, just work on this. Okay, the luminance, this is how I just kept the luminance, and you can see how they just work. Okay, so I make everything look so great about this footage, and you can see how it just line up. And here I never just touch this one on the Note 2, but you can see here on the Note 2, I just push the offset to be around this side. Okay, see that, because I don't want it to be like too yellowish and orange, so I just push into this side to get this color. You can see the blue, something around it, and you can see the saturation. I make the saturation around 60 something, and there's no move to the hue. So let me just go back. I just want to stay where I was, and you can see the Note 3. Let me just open the Note 3. You can see the green around it to look more film grade. So I just take time just coming in here to just push about the gray to be around this side. You can see around this side, I just push it to be around this, about not too much to get this. You can make it look like this, but I prefer to make it be around this side. Okay, so let me just go back. You can see, and here I push the offset again to just get something cool like this. And you can see I never touch the saturation here or something around here. I just push only this luminous. I just push it to be around this side because here was too bright, so I just push it to be around here. And I add my halation. You can see my halation here. So if I off the halation, check around this side. Okay, so let me just turn it on. You see the halation, it's just popping up around here. So this is how I add my halation on the Note 3. And let's just move to the Note 4. You can see the difference now. It just gave me a dark mode, as you can see here. So when I turn it off, this is what you can see. When it's on, you can see the dark mode. It just gives everything look so more cinematic. And I push the luminance to this side. Okay, to the down here to this side, and here be around this top, but not too much because I want here to be a little flat, not too much. So here we never just go above this. Okay, so let me just go back and just bring out the 95. Okay, here. I never touch anything, but I was about like, let me just push the saturation, but you don't have to make it too much. Okay, you have to make it your skin to be a little warm. I don't know, 5. Okay, this one is not pat. Okay, so I just make all this, use this 5 node, just make all this face look so great. Okay, so this is how you're going to start it with it. Okay, make sure anytime you just want to work on it, make sure the curve is going to be your best option. Okay, so when you choose this one, the curves, customer is the best option. Okay, so that's how I used to just come up with my grade. No, you don't have to mess up with it. Okay, so you can see everything's being different about this image. I take my time to understand about how to use it, because I spent almost like 5 years or 6 years just understand this curves to just get everything perfect. So you can just go through and learn how to use the curves. When you complete with the curves, when it comes to the luminous, the red, the green, and the blue, when you start just working on it, you can get the perfect color grading and cinematic grade, and it's going to give you 100% about what you're just looking for. So guys, this is what I've just done with all the stuffs. Okay, so you can see for now, let me just mute all those stuffs. Okay, you can see for now this is how it just look like, and I just turn it into this. Okay, I just turn into this. Can see now. So if you want to learn more about this, just click here, I'm awake, and just comment and let me know your mind, and subscribe to my page, and see you for the next video. Bye.